Good times, difficult times. My question to all of you is, you want what? Good times or difficult times? What do you want? Good times. Good decision. Happiness is a good time. Love, being loved, beautiful. Success, good time. Confidence, good time. Harmonious relationships, good time. Health, good times. Now, when do you remember the God the maximum? Huh? Huh? Prayers? Faith? When you are more disciplined? When you are more humble? When are you more humble? When you put more efforts? Difficult times. When you give your best? Difficult time, you give your best. Happiness makes you lazy. Happiness makes you indisciplined. Moment all of you laugh, you disturb everybody. He is focusing. You have a tummy. Huh? You're happy about it. मैं पूछ रहा हूँ क्या है prosperity? Now when you're happy with your tummy, will you work out or what? You won't work out. So happiness makes you lazy. It makes you, love makes you pampered. Success gives you ego. Confidence makes you arrogant. When relationships are going very nicely, you take for granted. And when you are healthy, you are very casual. But when you have stomach upset, when you have loose motion, it is going on coming. And you're singing ruk ruk ruk, are baba ruk, but nahi, it's going on coming. And you promise, in the difficult time you promise, I will eat good food. Discipline, what commitments you gave in difficult time. And after 2 days when it became okay. So look at life. What happens here is, the good times bring worst out of you, and difficult times brings best out of you. In fact, it should be the other way. In fact, when you are in the good times, if you can do what you do in bad times, you will never have difficult times. In good times, bad times, God will be there. Good times, bad times, prayers will be there. Good times, bad times, I will give my best. Good times, difficult times, what is there? What I do here, I'll make it as my nature. You will never have to go through difficult times in life. So ask yourself, when bad happens to you, what you should do? Become better. How to become better? Ensure that you practice all these things which came out of you only in difficult time. Practice it even in the good times. You will never have to wear to. Then you will never have this question, why bad is happening to me? Bad will never happen to you. You will know that it's a system which works, and even if you have to go through some tough times, it's only going to beautify you, make you glitter, and make you better. And that's the only thing.